Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just got the stream up and just looking at EWLL. The stock gapped up like majorly. ADRO, that's the position currently short in. Just watching how the market's going. Once I'm actually covering right here at the 250, 255 for ADRO. That's my order right here. So once it's filled, you're gonna hear order filled. So far, partially. Got somebody that just stepped in front of me. Looking at EWLL.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go. My order just been filled. Had some room to go down some more, but save profits. So we have a battle here at the 31s, and I have my order set. Matter of fact, this is my simulated account. So I paper trade and also trade with real account. So let me flatten this out. All right, so exit out that trade. So far it's been a pretty good morning. This is a breakout, and like I said, I love breakouts. I played HDSN on what was it, Tuesday, and it was gapping down. It's doing the same thing today as well. I would want to see a push to like the one close to the 170, so I could go in short for EWLL. The next level of major resistance is actually not until, this is the 5-year chart. It's not until here, and that's actually 53 cents. So I chased this a lot. I bought it when the market was closing at 28 cents. Could have bought it at 20 cents when I was looking at it, but I was like, because 20 cents was actually the breakout level. So, I mean, it is considerably high from where it's at. So I may cut my trade short with this. In fact, I'm just going to exit out right now because now that I think of it, it is extremely high from where it's at from the breakout level. So I'm just going to take safe profits and cry about it later. You have someone selling hidden size on here. They just got taken out. So I may let it play just a little bit once I start seeing the bid over here stacks up. Once it starts stacking up, I think that's when I will exit the trade. So it's at 32 right now. So far, this is a very, very, very nice breakout. As you can see, like I was saying, the breakout level is in the 20s. So now it's at 33. So it's starting to speed up. Currently, my sell order, I have it at 37 cents. But I will definitely, cut it. Exit out the trade way early than I need to. I love OTC breakout. That's, I think in my opinion, one of the best ways to grow a small account. 33.9 starting to get chipped away at. All right, one more person at the 33.9. I mean, this could actually go all the way up to like 47. The high for that day was, oops, I'm looking at the wrong thing right here. There it is, 54 cents. All right, hidden seller at the 39s, seeing how that react. I already have my finger on the trigger already just to be able to sell. 33.9, hidden seller, hidden seller. If they could get bust through the 33.9, I believe that then it's going to start to speed up a little bit more. So far, only 400,000 shares, a little over 400,000 shares have been traded. All right, so we got our first down tick. So I don't know if this is a fake. If I start seeing more prints, sell prints, then I'm getting out. So 33.5 right now. It might just be a fake reversal. 32.5. All right, I think I'm getting out right now, because this is typically when it starts stacking up, you do start seeing more sellers. So I actually got my order filled, so I am all out. So I do it right before the turn here, because this could collapse. Because like I said, it's hot. It's already 10 cents above the breakout level. Like, I should have bought it there, but I was just trying to be overly patient, trying to wait till the end of the day, and it squeezed all the way up. So I am done with all the trades for right now. So far, I'm looking at TST. This was a buyout. This could be a breakout. So I'm really looking to either go long on this or short. So if it can't break the 250, which I think it should, because it wasn't a lot of volume here on these days. But then again, it is already, almost 100%. 38% right now. See how it reacts to this. So I wouldn't go in short all the way. See, it was a good thing that I did make my sell order, because like I said, it's once you start seeing the reversal. Now I could actually go back and buy it. In fact, let me have my order preset, because normally, when it started dropping, it'll do like a cliff dive. Then from the cliff dive, there should be a bounce. So one thing to look out for when the bounce happen is the level 2. Level 2 is very, very, very important. Look at level 2 in time of sale. I don't think this is it. I don't think it's the bottom yet. But this stock definitely have a lot of room to go up because the days that it was breaking out, it wasn't huge volumes. As you can see here, this day for the breakout, it was only 400,000 shares. This day, the next day after the breakout, only 2 million. Then on Tuesday, it was only 1 million. So I believe it's gonna come down. Maybe probably wash this out to test this. And I still have my eyes on HDSN. It was another gap down. I don't know why people are so crazy about this. 7 million shares traded that day. 1,075,000. I believe this is gonna go down, but I'm not gonna be overzealous and try to hurry up and short. We'll see how it reacts to the 171 level. Look at EWLL. Oh man, this thing had a death drop. Whew. Definitely got to be careful. So I'm looking for where the reversal is going to happen. So I got my finger on the trigger right now as well. Ready to buy. For OTCs, your friend in the reversal, it happens so quick. So you definitely got to be ready just to be able to pull the trigger. So you're going to watch where, where it starts stacking up and there's an uptick. There is an uptick. Still not convinced. Look at this. Jumping. They're jumping, trying to get the best. Normally, when you start seeing an uptick is when it starts stacking on the level 2. So there's only 2 market makers here at the 0.235, 2.235. Now, if you see this start stacking, more buyers start to come in. All right, there goes got the first green candle. This might just be it right here. And definitely, if you're wrong, you definitely want to cut your losses as soon as possible. I still want to see more market makers because they're still jogging for position here, coming down. Check out my scanner. I was just thinking about this stock. I wonder if they're gonna do a reverse split. Any reversals? All that. Lock. VGR. I think I was looking at that. Yeah. UXIN. Oh man, okay, UXIN go. This is a 1 year chart. Huh. A little tempting. From 3. That's hard to borrow. This might be a go to Yahoo Financing just to see why are you up. What was it? UXIN. UXIN. No partnership. Okay, so partnership. How many? Check out the float. That's one thing I do always check before I go into any position, whether long or short. I do check out the float. $7 million, so it's actually a low. Is it be low float? So the float is how many shares of the stock that's able to be traded on that day, on any given day. So far, it traded 4 million, so it's actually close to doing a whole float rotation, like trading all the shares that's available to trade. So I wouldn't go short on this because there's not really any major resistance, right? I mean, all the way up to the 10s. So who would want to risk from 4 to 10? I mean, you'll blow up your whole account. It's already at 5 now. 5 million shares. All this is like, I would be interested. Oh, that's it might be overextended by then. This one would be tough. It's tough. So right now, this is a no trade for me. Okay, I think it just did its bounce. That was a little weak bounce for EWLL. Because had I chased it, because the ask was at 26 cents, and the top of it was like 26.58. So definitely was a good play not to go in. I want to see it, you know, like have a huge collapse. CAVR was another one that I played. I bought it on this day, and I sold way too soon as well too, but now it's coming down. So it's good that it's gonna have a red day. I will probably buy it closer to this level, so that way my risk is not all out of whack. So I got my eyes on that as well. Now this was a gap down play, and I missed it. I think I was able to find shares that even short too. So really right now there's really no place for me. So I think I'm gonna cut this video short. Yeah, there go EWLL again. Keep saying EWLL, it's EWLL. So I'll take a look, you know, still look at the market just to see if there's any plays. Look like the marijuana sector is coming alive a little bit. Pot. Man, this is a crazy breakout. Crazy. I missed it right here. Could have bought it. Actually, I bought it that day. Never mind, I did buy it. I bought it like close to the afternoon at like, I think it was like 0.0107, and I sold at like 0.113. You know, it was it was really peanuts. You know, I think I made like $30 or something like that. And as you could see, I left a lot of profits on the table. So I'm gonna be signing off. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your morning, and definitely safe trading. Peace.